So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can fix any broken website. So you probably have watched previously any video and you didn't find the solution, so you just dropped in my video. So if you are watching my video, then make sure to watch this video till the end, and after it I am 101% sure that any problem, any kind of issue you are facing, everything will be solved. So I'll provide you a straightforward solution of this problem. Any problem you face, like white screen of death, or your website you can't able to log in, or anything, there is one very simple and easy solution. So you see this, I'm using Hostinger, but in your case you may be using Namecheap or GoDaddy or any thing website hosting provider. So to solve any kind of problem in just few clicks is to restore your website. This hosting companies always make sure to backup your website, and they provide the backup so that their customer will not face any problem, any error that you are also telling, I'm pressing my website is broken, how I will fix it. They also know this type of error always came to website owners. So what you can do is you can just go back to the time machine and you can switch back to your old website again. So you see this, I have the backup of this 15th of this date. So what I can do is I can just go back to on the time machine and I can just put my website in this 15th of date. So whatever the files, whatever the thing will be there in 15, so my website will just switch back to this 15. So this is the easiest and the simplest solution. Just go and restore your website back to any previous date which will be available, and all set, your problem will be solved. So thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe my channel.